Hello, in today's video let's look at how to add VBA code in PowerPoint. It's something that you guys have asked for, so the first thing we need to do is to add the developer tab to our ribbon. So now go to the File tab on the top left corner of the PowerPoint window. Now click on Options. Now click on Customize Ribbon. On the right hand side, you will see a list of main tabs, so make sure the developer tab is checked. Fine, now open the selection pane, go to the shape format tab and click on selection pane. You'll see the name of the object, for example, title 1 and subtitle 2. Now save the presentation as a macro enabled file. Now let's add some VBA code to change the title and subtitle. So what you're going to do is to open the Visual Basic editor. What you have to do is to come to Developer and Visual Basic. Now click on Insert, Module, and now copy and paste the following code into the module. This is the code that you have to paste. And once you have finished, save the code. So come to File, Save Presentation. Now you have to run the VBA code to see the changes right here. So if you check, if we go to the other file, as you can see now the title has been changed. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.